In this demonstration, we will showcase how to use Sangfor Zero Trust Guard's granular access control capabilities to configure application access and security for remote users. On Sangfor Platform X homepage, go to Sangfor Access Secure tab and click on Visit. This will take you to Access Secure dashboard. First, we will demonstrate how to add an internal application to Zero Trust Guard. On the left-hand side, menu Select Policies and go to Internal Apps under ZTNA section. Next, click on Add button. Add Internal App Blade will appear. Fill in the application name and choose your app category. Under App Address section, select the network protocol and add server address and port details. Zero Trust Guard allows you to configure up to 10 entries for a single application. Next, select your Connector app. Connector app enables Zero Trust Guard service to connect to private applications hosted in data center or cloud. Leave rest of the settings on default and click OK. Now that we have successfully configured this application, let's add users who should be allowed to access this application. Go to App Authorization tab at the top, select Application and click on Permissions. You can add individual users or user group. In this demonstration, we will add an individual user. Next, we will define security policies for this application access. Go to App Protection Policies under ZTNA section and click Add. On Add App Protection Policy blade, define policy name. In Applicable Scope section, add user or user group for whom this protection policy will be enforced. Similarly, add the application or app category. Define the security criteria you want to check before granting access to the application. In this demonstration, we will check if a specific antivirus software is running on an end device or not before allowing access. Zero Trust Guard also allows you to configure exceptions. In this configuration, if an end device does not have a specified antivirus running, then the end user should be challenged with enhanced authentication to gain access. Let us try to access this application from an endpoint, which does not have the required antivirus running. As you can see, application is not reachable from this device, and only after passing enhanced authentication application access is granted to the end user. This concludes our demonstration on how to configure strict access control policies for application access with Zero Trust Guard and enhance the overall security of your system.